Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a VW Golf Mk5 stereo. First, ensure you have the right tools, including trim removal tools and a Torx T20 screwdriver. Begin by gently prying off the trim panel surrounding the stereo. Work slowly to avoid damaging the plastic. Once the trim is loose, disconnect any electrical connectors that might be attached to it, giving you clear access to the stereo unit itself. Now that the trim is off, you'll see 4 Torx T20 screws securing the stereo. Use your screwdriver to carefully remove each one. Once the screws are out, gently pull the stereo unit forward from the dashboard. This will give you enough space to reach behind and access all the electrical connectors. Remember to press the small release tabs on each connector before pulling them off to prevent damage. With all the connectors detached, you can now carefully slide the stereo unit completely out of its slot. Take a moment to inspect the wiring harness for any signs of damage or loose connections, especially if you're installing a new head unit. When you're ready to reinstall, simply reverse these steps. Make sure all clips and screws are securely fastened for a snug fit. Before you power up your new head unit, double-check every connection to ensure everything is properly seated. Once installed, thoroughly test all functions, including the radio, Bluetooth, and any navigation features, to confirm everything works as expected. For those looking to streamline their daily routine, check out the link in the description for some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Thanks for watching, and happy driving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.